We do R&D, testing, maintenance, space and missiles, and nuclear weapons. Proudly, we call it acquisition. Testing new fighter jets, securing advanced medical equipment, deploying next-generation laser targeting, updating the GPS satellite system. We call it acquisition. Finding ways to save taxpayer dollars, enforcing critical delivery schedules, ensuring the U.S. Air Force has everything it needs to succeed. It's called acquisition. Our business and management skills, our financial and negotiating expertise, our abilities in science and engineering, all at the service of the most powerful flying force on the planet, the United States Air Force. We are the acquisition force. All about systems, acquisitions, and contract management.